it's Gillian, and this week I was in the mood to create some new slimes, so I came up with these two super cute pastel slimes, and they're so adorable and I cannot wait to show you how to make them. Also, today's slimes I wanted to be two new textures of slimes that I've never made on my channel, so we're going to be making a half Floam and a cloud slime, and you guys have been requesting so much that I show you how to make cloud slime, so I hope you guys love today's slimes. If this is my first video that you're seeing and you're wondering who I am, then hi, my name is Gillian and I'm so excited that you found my channel. And if you would like to see more videos from me in the future and you haven't already subscribed, then just go ahead and click the red subscribe button, and then whenever I upload a new video, you'll be able to see it. So I think it's time that we jump into the video. I hope you guys love today's slimes, and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need to prepare is our activator, and this is what is going to make our slime. So just mix together 1 cup of warm water with half a teaspoon of borax and just stir this until the borax has dissolved, and then you can just set this aside. So the first slime we're going to be creating today is this Unicorn Tears Half Floam slime, and this one was so adorable. So the first thing you're going to need is a bowl, and then to this bowl add some school glue, and then it's time to color the slime whichever color you like. I went with a really pretty pastel pink color. Then it's time to scent our slime, and I wanted this to smell super sweet, so I used this cupcake scent and just added a few drops to my glue mixture. Then just add some conditioner, a few pumps of lotion, and then some baby oil, and this is going to give us a really nice clicky and glossy base. Now taking that activator that we prepared earlier, just add a little bit at a time to our glue mixture and mix it together until you get a really nice soft slime. Next, it's time to add the foam beads to make this slime a half Floam. So I'm just using these really pretty pastel foam beads, and you want to make sure that you add enough, but you don't want to add too much so it becomes a full Floam, just a half Floam. So then to package this slime up, I just placed them in a container, and then I grabbed some unicorn themed charms and just added this to the slime as well, because I love when my slimes have hidden charms in them. And then I just topped up the container and placed the lid on top, and then you have your unicorn tears inspired half Floam slime. And this was super clicky and super soft. It gave great bubble pops and it smelled amazing, and it was just so adorable. Up next, we have this over the rainbow inspired cloud slime. So I wanted the slime to be like the sky, and then we have the cute rainbow charm. So the first thing you're going to need is a bowl, and then to this bowl add some school glue, and then to make this a bit fluffier, just add some shaving foam and then mix this all together. So now we want that really pretty sky blue color, so just add some blue food coloring and mix this all together. And then it's time to scent the slime, and I wanted this to be a super fresh light scent, so I added this fresh cotton scent. And then it's time to activate the slime, and because we're using instant snow today, it's okay to slightly over activate the slime because the instant snow will melt the slime. So now to turn this ordinary slime into a cloud slime, you'll need some instant snow. So just go ahead and prepare the instant snow like it says on the packet. So here I am just making my snow, and then it's time to start adding this to the slime. So you just want to add a handful at a time and then mix it into the slime. And this may take a long time. You really have to work with the slime, but just keep working at it. And if it starts to become sticky, you can just go ahead and add more activator, but just keep adding snow until you're happy with the texture and it's super sizzly and drizzly and just that really awesome cloud texture. So to package up this adorable slime, I first added some of the slime to a container and then found this really cute rainbow charm and just popped this on top. And I love how sizzly this slime was. It had amazing drizzle and it's just such a cool texture, and I definitely think you guys should try making cloud slime if you haven't already, because you will love it. Oh my gosh, how cute were those slimes? Let me know in the comments below which slime was your favorite. I can't decide because they were both just too adorable and fun. If you're looking for something else to watch, I'll make sure to link a video right over here that you can click on, and that'll take you to another one of my super fun slime videos that I know you will love. If you haven't already subscribed and you would like to see more videos from me in the future, then make sure you go ahead and click the red subscribe button before you leave. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!